Hey kids, hey kids. Let's see what are we going to do today. Today we are going to color the alphabets and the objects that come with the alphabets with different colors. We are going to do alphabet M, N and O today. Let's see what colors we are going to use. We are going to use orange, yellow, brown, silver, green and red. Let's get started. This is the letter M. What comes with M? M for mango, M for mushroom. Let's color the letter M first. We'll color it with red color and also with the color yellow. M for mango, M for mushroom. What is the sound of M? The sound of M is M. 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 M for mango. Now M for mushroom. Let's color the mushroom red color. What is the sound of M, kids? The sound of M is M. M. Mushroom. M. M. Mango. M for mushroom and M for mango. There we go. Now let's jump to the next letter. The next letter is letter N. N for nest and N for needle. Let's color the letter N brown. We are going to use two colors for the letter N. One is brown color and next is silver color. It's going to be very shiny. What comes with N? N for nest and N for needle. Now let's color the nest with brown color. N for nest. What is the sound of N? N. 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 Nest. N. N. Needle. Now let's color the needle. N. N. Nest. N. N. Needle. We are coloring with silver. N for nest and N for needle. Now let's jump to the next letter. The next letter is O. O for orange, O for octopus. Now let's do O with orange color. We are going to use two colors again. Orange and green. O for orange. What is the sound of O?